welcome to SUNNI Studio. I am Ke'Ambra, and in today's video I will be showing you guys what I got from Simplifi Fabrics. Simplifi Fabrics have one of the largest selections of natural organic textile online, featuring bamboo, hemp, organic cotton, soy, linen, and lyocell. So we will be doing an unboxing haul of the fabrics that I purchased online. Hopefully they come out as they say in the description and on the photos. So let's get to unboxing. So what I've ordered is I have some hemp organic spandex, organic cotton spandex, or no, it was bamboo jersey, and hemp organic cotton terry, French terry, I think. Let's see what I have. They should, oh, they didn't even put the receipt in. Let me get my phone so I can see exactly what I have. Okay, yes. I have the bamboo organic cotton spandex jersey and 200 GSM, and I also have it in white, and I ordered 4 yards of it, but they go by half yard or half meters. So you have to be mindful with that, because that's the mistake that I made the first time when I ordered 4.5 yards instead of 8.5 yards to get 4 yards. So I was kind of like disappointed in that, because I didn't really read or pay attention to the descriptions really well. So yes, be mindful of that, because that's the big oops. And especially when you need fabric ASAP, or you really need it as soon as possible. So be mindful of that. And the other thing that I have is the hemp organic terry, French terry fabric. Okay, so the bamboo organic cotton spandex jersey is 200 GSM in weight, and I got it in white, and it runs for $6.50 a half yard. So per half yard it is $6.50. The things that it says, fiber content, it is 55% bamboo, 45% organic cotton, and it weighs 200 GSM. The width is 64, so it's 64 wide. This is a wonderful soft fabric which can be used for many applications. It is organically grown bamboo and cotton that's processed in an eco-friendly way, and social aware facilities. So meaning that it contains no pesticide. And it's also manufactured in a great way, in a great environment, and no one is affected by whatever is going on, and ethically is awesome. So and they ship worldwide. That is amazing. What else do? So back to the fabric that I have. So which is the bamboo organic cotton spandex jersey, 200 GSM would be the white one. Okay. Okay, so the bamboo organic cotton spandex will be this one. I have an 8.5 yards, which turned into 4 yards, which is 4 yards. So this is the fabric here. There it is. It's very soft. It's extremely soft. Oh my goodness. This is pretty cool. Oh my goodness. It is so soft. It's going to be so good for the skin, especially for people who have sensitive skin, prone to irritation, has eczema and things of that with acne outbreaks. This is perfect for you guys. This type of fabric is perfect for you. So you need to check out places that, or online boutiques and stores and clothing brands that has just organic all around, that doesn't have any of those chemicals, pesticides, anything that could be harmful to the human body, the environment, and just things that are unethical, period. Okay, so this is, oh my gosh, it's just so soft. It is extremely soft. I don't even want to put it down. I just want to be like, oh. Okay, so the next fabric I got is the hemp organic cotton terry. The hemp organic cotton terry, that is in 300 GSM. It is $6.75 per half yard, and it is unbleached, natural, no fabric, no nothing on it. It is just its own organic fiber. So I have hemp, and the fiber content are 55% hemp and 45% organic cotton. The width of it is 59 inches. The weight is 340 GSM. I'm sorry, I said 300, but 340 GSM. And don't really have a description for this one, but let's see. I'll give my own. Okay. So, oh my gosh, this is really thick. This doesn't look like the first one that I got. This definitely doesn't look like, did I get this? I don't think so. I like this one. This would be so good for like hoodies. Oh, can you see it? Can you see it? It would be amazing for things like hoodies and joggers and outerwear, petticoats, and things like that. I'm loving this. Absolutely loving this. Like, absolutely loving this. I'm trying to see what I got the last time. Hold on, wait. Because I thought that I got this same one, 340 GSM. But knowing me, I would do something like that. Organic cotton terry. Oh, I did try something new. I like this one so much better, so I'm gonna have to go and purchase 4 more half yards or 2 more yards of this, because this is it right here. This is the perfect one. This is it. Because I actually got bamboo French terry last time. And I knew it. I was like, why am I keep saying French terry on this one? Which I purchased the hemp organic cotton terry. And they are very inexpensive. Like, the best inexpensive organic and eco-friendly textile company that I have ever searched for, found, anything, and they are perfect. When I say the prices are amazing, they are amazing. I am so happy. Like, I can't wait. I don't know. I know exactly what I'm gonna do with these. So you guys stay tuned and follow the Women's Bar on YouTube to see the outcome of the fabric that I purchased and things like that. I might do some sew-alongs or things like that on this channel, and you will see the final results in our fashion haul on the Women's Bar channel. So I'm excited. I cannot wait to see the outcome with this beautiful fabric. And I give Simplifi Fabric a thumbs up because, yeah, this is amazing. By far the most amazing fabric that I've purchased. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and click that bell so that you can get notified every time I upload a new eco fashion video / vlog. Comment down below if you would like to see more eco fashion videos, and tell me what you think about these fabrics. Do you like them? Yay, nay? And if you would like to order anything off of Simplifi Fabric, I will put the link in the description box. And I will see you guys until next time. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. Okay?